taking bookings for an existing event. By the end of this guide, you should be able to explain how to navigate the CRM interface to sell tickets and book attendees into an existing event you are organizing. In this Dynamics CRM for events, you can utilize the sales process to efficiently sell tickets and make bookings for existing events stored in the system. Throughout this process, you can manage tasks such as setting ticket prices, tracking activities that contribute to organizing ticket sales for events, and more. Let's look at how to do it. Click on the item Home. Click on the item Leads. Click on the menu item New. Click on the text field Topic. Enter a description of the task you are trying to perform. In this example, we are attempting to sell a ticket and register an attendee for an existing event saved in the CRM. Click on the field Sales Type. Select the Event Interest option, which enables you to create and sell event tickets and allocate attendees to existing events. Click on the text field labeled First Name, and then enter all the relevant details for the person who has contacted you about attending the event. Scroll down to the Event Lookup field and search for the event the customer wants to attend. This is displaying events that you have already set up in the system. Now you need to select the event your customer is interested in. From here you can view information on the recommended ticket price and the number of spaces left on the event. To start to sell tickets, click on the Main Ticket Price field. Enter the main ticket price. In this example, we are sticking to the recommended price of £10. Click on the text field Number of main tickets. Enter the number of main tickets your customer would like to purchase. In this example, the customer needs 2 tickets. Click on the text field Secondary Ticket Price. The system offers built-in pricing flexibility, allowing you to deviate from the recommended ticket prices that were initially set when the event was created. In this example, the recommended price for secondary tickets is £5, but we're going to sell them for £3. Click on the text field Number of secondary tickets. Enter number of secondary tickets. Click on the text field Promo, Discount Ticket Price. Enter Promo, Discount Ticket Price. Similar to the secondary ticket price, you have flexibility with promotional ticket pricing. In this example, we are offering customers tickets at a lower rate than the one set when the event was created. Enter number of promo, discount tickets. Once you have entered all the ticket requirements, click Save. This ticket sale is now saved as a lead in your system. From here, you can save activities related to the sale of these tickets, such as phone calls. To do this, click on the Create a Timeline Record button. Click on the menu item Phone Call, create a new phone call. Enter the subject for the phone call. Click on the text field Description. Enter a description for the phone call. Click on the button Save and Close. The phone call record should now appear in the activity timeline for this event's ticket sale. If the customer has confirmed that they would like to proceed with payment for the tickets, you can then qualify the ticket sale as an opportunity by clicking on the Qualify button at the top of your screen. This action converts the ticket sale status from a lead to an opportunity in the sales pipeline. The system has now created a contact using the details entered at the lead stage of this sales process. From this point in the process, you have several options. You can add additional products to the sale, such as merchandise or extra services like food at the event. Alternatively, you can create a quote for the tickets to send to the customer. Another option is to close the opportunity as one, which is the fastest way to finalize the sale of the tickets. In this example, our customer only wants to purchase tickets and we do not need to send them a quote, so we are going to select Close as one. Click on the button OK. The system's automation has now removed the tickets from the list of available tickets, preventing any overselling of the event. To view a summary of the tickets sold for this event, simply click on the event name. From here, you can view a summary of the number of tickets that have been purchased and the total number of tickets remaining. The system also offers an overview of what the customer is purchasing in this individual transaction, which can be seen in the table displayed at the bottom of the screen. In the final steps, you might want to send an invoice for the tickets, and then mark it as paid once you have received payment. To do this, click on the tab Opportunities and Invoices. On the left of the screen you can see a summary of the tickets the customer would like to purchase. To create an invoice, toggle the Create Attendee Invoice option. Now click Save. To view the invoice for these tickets, click Refresh, and return to the Opportunities and Invoices tab. Now you should be able to see the invoice for the tickets in the table on the right of the screen. To open the invoice, click on the link in the Invoice Name column. To send the invoice to the customer, click the More Commands for Invoice button near the top right of the screen. If you want to send the invoice using a saved Word template, click on Word Templates in the menu. Here, you can upload a custom Word template with your branding, or use a pre-built template that is included with this event's CRM. After your customer has paid their invoice, you can mark it as paid in the CRM system by clicking the More Commands for Invoice button at the top right of the screen. Click on the menu item Invoice Paid. Click on the button OK. Now you know how to sell tickets, allocate customers to events, provide quotes, and issue invoices. This concludes the process of setting up and selling tickets for an event in Dynamics Events CRM.